Create this head slice animation using Capcut, and it's free. Here I already have the background for our video, so let's add the photo you want to do the animation on. Tap on overlay, add overlay, select the photo, and hit add. Note that this will only work on photos with no background. Now resize and position the photo to your liking. Once done, make sure the photo track is selected and look for mask at the bottom. Select circle. Adjust and position the mask to the part where you want to slice. Now tap invert, hit check, and you should have something like this. With the same track selected, tap on duplicate. Then with the duplicate track selected, press and hold to drag down and drag left. Now tap on the duplicate track, go to mask, tap invert, then hit check. And you should now see the upper part of the head. Now let's add our first keyframe. You should see the red diamond below. If you want to learn more about keyframes, I have 11 video recordings where I discussed keyframes and its use cases. Check the pinned post on my Facebook page. Now move few frames forward and move the head away. This should add a new keyframe automatically. You can do a straight upward motion like this, or you can also do a slight right rotation like this. It's up to you. Feel free to add other elements like brains and some sound effects, and here's your final output. Follow for more.